It's Boone again, Boone's Outdoor Supply. Today we got a few pre-owned rifles that we're going to talk about and go over with you. We'll let Amber talk about these.
Alright, first we have a Ruger American Gen 2 with a threaded barrel, 300 blackout, sight mark Wraith, day and night scope for $850.
You know, those Gen 2s are about $600 new, and that day-night sight mark scope is about $500 new, so that's right at 1,100 bucks retail on a new gun. And these are like new condition, 850 bucks. That's a heck of a deal.
Alright, then we have a bolt action Savage 93 22 mag, the beautiful laminate stock for $339. We have the Savage Axis XP, it's camo, the Weaver 3x9 scope on it for $449. Then we have a Stag Arms AR 5.56 NATO. It has a SIG Romeo optic on it for $900. We have a Remington 243 bolt action with a Bushnell 3x9 for $300. Then we have a heavy barreled Savage 223 bolt action camo with a 4x12 Bushnell for $519. Alright, lastly we have a single shot bolt action. It is a Winchester Model 121. It shoots 22 short, long, and long rifle for $199.
Right, y'all like and subscribe if you will. We got several more videos coming. We will do some we can ship these. If anybody's interested, y'all can call us at 706-938-0373. You can call the store. As long as your state allows these, we can ship it to you. And like I said, like and subscribe. We got a lot of pre-owned handguns. We're going to go through them next and do some more videos.